How to free up storage space on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can firstly go ahead and tap on your Apple icon on the top left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the System Settings option and then tap on General and then on Storage. Here, tap on the Manage button and then make sure that Mac OS offers actionable recommendations like Store in iCloud, Optimize Storage, Empty Trash automatically, and Reduce Clutter. So you can go ahead and enable Store in iCloud to offload desktop and documents, messages, attachments, and photos when space is needed. You can also turn on Optimize Storage to remove watched Apple TV content and manage large email attachments. You can also enable Empty Trash automatically to clear items older than 30 days. You can also then go ahead and remove unused files and apps. So go ahead and delete old iPhone, iPad backups saved on your Mac, and also make sure to clean out the downloads folder and uninstall or unused the apps from the applications folder and empty the trash. You can also remove old user accounts you no longer need along with their data. Also, go ahead and open Finder and then tap on the Go option in the top menu bar and then select the Go To folder. Here, go ahead and type in library/caches as shown on the screen. Now carefully delete cache and log files that are not needed anymore. Mac OS may auto-generate new ones. Optionally, you can also remove unused files under the Language Library option. So, this is how you can free up storage space on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.